Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, how are you all? Friends, if you like my channel then please like and subscribe. So my friends, let's see today what's a partner going through right now. Right now, friends, I think your partner is thinking a lot about you because the destiny is making your partner to think about you a lot. Your partner is thinking definitely a lot about you. The Empress always represents to me the person who is watching this video. So your partner is definitely thinking a lot about you at present. At present, your partner is not in a good position, and one of the cycle in a partner's life is definitely ending at right now. Your partner is going through troubled times, and your partner may not be in a good health at present, and your partner is in a meditative or in a prayer mode at present because the conditions through which your partner is passing right now, because of that your partner is praying a lot because a major cycle is closing in your partner's life. And your partner, I can say, is in a good position professionally. Your partner is good in whatever business or job your partner is doing right now. In that, your partner is good right now, but your partner is praying a lot. He or she must be meditating right now. Right now, your partner is very emotional because of the third party situation your partner is in with. Because of that, the partner is thinking a lot about that also, third party also, because the partner is very emotional right now, and he or she feels defeated because of this third party. The third party partner feels defeated at present right now. And see your condition of your partner right now. Your partner is in a very bad state, a major cycle. 10 of wands and 10 of swords. It shows me that your partner has been betrayed by the third party, and your partner is feeling very bad at present. Your partner is in a very bad state right now. Your partner is doubting a lot about this relationship, what your partner should do and not. Your partner is discussing also with close people he or she is associated with, what they should do right now. And your partner is spying you a lot at present. Even you may be spying a lot about your partner. Your partner is spying a lot about you, and there is a lot of discussion going on in your partner's life. A lot of decisions are being made at this time. Your partner is thinking a lot about you right now. Your partner is waiting for this major conflicts that is going in your partner's life to get over. He or she is strongly waiting for this conflict to get over in that in his or her life. And the sun card immediately is coming after that, so your partner will definitely will come out of this conflict at present. Whatever your situation your partner is right now, he or she will come out of this situation very successfully. See, oh my God, very good card. At present, your partner is feeling the whatever seeds your partner has sown in the life. He or she is thinking what that person got from that sowing those seeds. The partner is thinking that way, and your partner is feeling a lot of love about you, and he or she is thinking of coming back to you with the offer of love, because the immediate card is 11 4 of wands. So the partner is definitely thinking of a long term commitment with you, and definitely your partner is coming with a big offer towards you. I can see a big offer of love, a long term commitment coming towards you from your partner. Wow, 8 of wands and wish fulfillment definitely. And you will get communication from your partner, because the 8 of wands immediately after this, ace of cups, 4 of wands, Ace of Pentacles, Eight of Wands. Your partner is definitely coming, moving towards you, and wish fulfillment. This is a wish fulfillment of your partner, because your partner always wanted this, but was not able to tell you. Your partner definitely coming towards you, because this is the biggest wish fulfillment of your partner. All these cards suggest your partner loves you a lot, and your partner is coming with a love offer towards you and offering a long term commitment to you with a big offer, maybe offering a ring or something, or maybe something like that, I don't know, but a gift is definitely on this way. Maybe this Valentine you can get a gift from your partner, and communication is coming from your partner, and that is the wish fulfillment of your partner, that's for sure. And your partner will speak truth to you. Whatever your partner is going to tell is the only truth your partner is going to speak to you, because a major, and this will come all of a sudden in your life, and you will be shocked कि what has happened with me, how come my partner came all of a sudden your partner will pop up this question to you. Oh, really, I'm feeling so happy. Your partner will definitely is definitely coming all of a sudden your partner is coming towards you. Now let me see what your partner wants to say to you. I miss you a lot and I always love you. A partner is saying your partner loves you a lot and misses you a lot. Our connection has caused so much confusion for me. Your partner was previously in confusion. Now the confusion has come out of your partner's mind. I never intended to hurt you. Your partner is saying, I never intended to hurt you. It was all unintentional. Being away from you kills me, but it's a must right now. Just see. What should I do? Your partner is coming towards you. Your partner is feeling very guilty at present, and your partner wants to come back with you with offer of love. That's for sure. The question is whether you will accept this offer or what. And now your partner will be very respectful towards you. In the past, whatever way your partner has behaved with you, but this time your partner will be very respectful towards you and very compassionate towards you. See, a lot of things, because your partner is worried at present, but in future your partner is going to respect you a lot, and with lot of compassion your partner is going to behave with you. Because the partner is overwhelmed, because from your side your partner is overwhelmed, because he or she is rewinding, thinking about the past memories of you and what has happened between you and your partner, and because of that your partner is overwhelmed right now. Your partner will definitely come towards you. Okay friends, hope you like my reading. Then please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.